Hello student, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you the calculation of interest on drawing under these two cases. Calculation of interest on drawing formula the same thing, that means you will write it. But main thing is regarding the calculation of average period. Suppose in the questions it will be given for the last 6 months or for the first 6 months it will be withdrawn by the partner. So I wrote the two cases here. If fixed amount is withdrawn during last 6 months, you see now I wrote the month here, April to March. For the last 6 months means, you see now first it will start from here. For the last 6 months from here, October, November, December, January, February, March, it will start from here. Here it is written at the beginning of each month. For the last 6 months, suppose for the beginning of each month, so 6 months, last 6 months it will start from here. So now be careful, I am explaining only the calculation of average period. This is the very critical part for the calculation of interest on rate. Other things it is not difficult. Interest on rate it will be given, amount it will be given, so you can calculate it. But the problem is regarding the calculation of average period of time. That I am explaining. Suppose here it is written at the beginning of each month. Beginning of each month with 1st October, 1st November, 1st December, 1st January, 1st February, 1st March. Be careful. Here it is written, if fixed amount is withdrawn during the last 6 months, it will be withdrawn. So that means what will be the average period? You see now, 1st October. So how many months left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First drawing. After first drawing, how many months left? 6 months. What is the last drawing? 1st March. How many months? Only 1 month. So 6 plus 1 by 2, 7 by 2, that is 3.5. So you see now, if the fixed amount is withdrawn during the last 6 months and if it will be given at the beginning of each month, so average period it will be for how much? 3.5. Clear? Similarly, at the end of each month means, you see now, October last, November last, December last, January last, February last, March last. October last means we will not calculate October. How many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus March last, it will be 0 by 2. So 5 by 2, it will be 2.5. Clear? Similarly, if it will return at the middle of each month, middle of each means October middle, November middle, December middle, means October middle means October half months plus from here November to March, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and half, 5 and half, plus March half months by 2, that means 6 by 2, it will be 3. Clear? So this is the, you see now, formula same. Month left after first drawing plus month left after last drawing. This formula you will remember. After doing some questions, it will be easy for you. Second point I wrote it here. Fixed amount is withdrawn in first 6 months. First 6 months means April to September. First 6 months it is withdrawn. But interest will be calculated for the whole year. Means interest will be calculated from April to March. Clear? Here also let me explain about the calculation of average period. How I will calculate? Again and again I am saying I am calculating the average period. Other things you can do, but the problem where you will face, that is the calculation of average period. That I am going to explain it. Here it is written at the beginning of each month. First April 1st, May 1st, June 1st, July 1st, August 1st, September 1st. Up to this. After that it will not be withdrawn. So here it is written, fixed amount is withdrawn in first 6 months. First 6 months, it will be withdrawn. So if it is written at the beginning of each month means 1st April. So from 1st April to the 31st March, how many months? 12 months. What is the last drawing? That is September 1st. From September 1st, how many months? September also you will include, because September 1st, so you will include. So it will be 7. So 12 plus 7, it will be how much? 19. 19 by 2, it will be 9.5. Clear? Similarly, at the end of each month, you see, at the end of each month, April last. So April last means how many months? 11 months. April last. And what will be last? That is September last. So September also will not include. October to March will include. That is 6. So 17 by 2, it will be 8.5. Clear? At the middle of each month. Middle of each month means you see now. Middle. April, middle, May, middle, June, middle. So from April to March, it will be how much? 11.5 or 11 and a half. From here, September 15, so it will be how much? 6.5. 6.5. Clear? How 6.5 you see now? October to March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 months plus September half months. 6.5. And how I wrote 11.5? You see now, April 5th half months. From May to March, that is 11 months plus half months. So it will be how many? That means 18. 18 by 2, so it will be 9. So this is also very, that means important. You should understand it and you remember it. Try to understand. But that means no need to learn it. You can remember it, but you should know the concept also. So next, let me explain when the interest on capital, it will be calculated under the product method. Interest on capital, sorry, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing. Calculated, it will be calculated under the product method. Product method. So you see the difference already in last video I told you at the beginning. Product method means the amount will also be different and time also will be different. Under the average period method, what I told you, the amount, fixed amount, it will be withdrawn at a fixed time interval. Fixed time interval means 1st April, then 1st May, 1st June, a specific date. And amount will be fixed. But under product method, amount will be different, time will also be different. So here, product method, here you will calculate interest on drawing. Let me examine, that means giving an example. Suppose May 1st, a partner has withdrawn 1st May. He withdrawn 10,000. Clear? And 31st December, he withdraw, suppose 5,000. Clear? Suppose here it will be written 1st March, he will withdraw, that means 20,000. You see now, date is different, amount is also different. Date is different, time, amount is also different. So in these cases, you will follow the product method. Product method means you will calculate the how many months left after this drawing. For example, 1st May. So after May, how many months? May, 1st May means you have to calculate May also. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So how many months? That is 11 months. 31st December. So only 3 months. December 31st means December will not include. January, February, March. You will write the 3 months. How many months left? That you will calculate. Clear? 1st March. Only 1 month. Product method means you have to multiply it. That is the product. 10,000 into 11. Product. Product means we have to multiply the amount into month. 10,000 into 11. 1,10,000. 5,000 into 3. That is 15,000. 20,000 into 1. That is 20,000. Clear? Then you will add it. $1,45,000. I hope all of you got it. Let me explain again. Under product method, you have to calculate the number of months. How many months remain after the drawing? Each drawing. because the amount is different, time is also different. So you have to calculate the number of months. How many months remain till 31st March? Clear? And product method I told you, here you will apply. Where time is also different, amount will also be different. Means there will not be equal time interval between the two drawings. Clear? But under the average period method, equal time interval. Suppose quarterly, that means for the first 6 months, last 6 months that I explained just before a few minutes ago. So there you will see the time interval is equal. But here under product method, time interval is not equal. And amount is also different. So in these cases, you will calculate the product method. Product means you will multiply the amount into months. Suppose here 1st May. So from May to March, you will calculate 11. Similarly, December, 31st December. So you will not calculate December, January, February, March. So I wrote it 3. 1st March means one month. March is remain 1 month, that is 1. Then you will multiply 10,000 into 11, 5,000 into 3, 20,000 into 1. This is the product. So how you will calculate the interest on drawing? Under this method, interest on drawing. Interest on drawing, how you will calculate it? Interest on drawing equal to the total product or product into 1 by 12 into rate of interest by 100. Rate of interest by 100. Clear? So product means this is the total 1,45,000 you will write it. 1,45,000 into 1 by 12 into rate of interest. Rate of interest it will be given in the questions. It may be 10%, 7.5%, whatever it may be, that you will write it. So let me explain. I am assuming that it is 10%. So you will write it. Clear? Then you will divide it. Means 14,500 divided by 12. You will divide it. 14,500 divided by 12. 12 1 is 12, 2, 12 2 is 24, 1, 0, 0. So means near about you will take the nearest value 1208. Clear? So this is, that means these are the two methods. Average period methods, it was lengthy, so many cases are there, but under the product method there is no such cases, so it is very easy. But average period method, all the conditions I explained, so I hope all of you understood it.